Apple revealed that it has expanded its iPhone repair procedure to include used components. Beginning this autumn, users and independent repair shops will be able to repair the device with appropriate components, allowing iPhone owners to repair their smartphones with old components rather than having to buy new ones. The tech giant informed the Washington Post that the upgrade will affect displays, batteries, and cameras, among other things. Apple has defended the method, claiming that utilizing real components is a crucial part of ensuring customer privacy. Historically, the corporation has not used the term parts pairing to describe its configuration process, although it accepts that the concept has become extensively used outside. It's also aware that the phrase has connotations in numerous areas. Right-to-repair supporters have accused Apple of using component pairing as a pretext to limit consumer repairability. In January, iFixit described the procedure as the biggest threat to repair. The article depicts an iPhone user attempting to harvest a battery from a friend's old device, only to be confronted with a pop-up notice reading, "Important battery message," unable to confirm that this iPhone contains a genuine Apple battery. Customers and service providers will not be required to furnish Apple with a phone's serial number when purchasing replacements, unless they are replacing the logic board. Calibration will occur on the iPhone immediately after the authentic component is fitted. Aftermarket components created by other parties will not be permitted. According to the Washington Post, if you attempt to install one of these components, you will see a warning that the part is not legal and that some functionalities, such as the battery status indicator, will not function. Of course, things may change. Apple was famously opposed to the freedom to repair, but now they are giving the components themselves. We may see significant modifications to repair policies later this year and into 2025. Parts coupling, in particular, is now in the spotlight. Oregon officially prohibited the practice in late March, albeit the rule will not go into effect until January 2025. The EU is considering adopting the same thing, but nothing is written in stone.